Meaning of fatuously.
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 Fatuously. The word fatuously is an adverb that describes behavior or actions that are foolish, silly, or absurd. It suggests a lack of intelligence, wisdom, or good judgment. When someone behaves fatuously, they may be seen as making nonsensical statements or engaging in frivolous activities without considering the consequences. This type of behavior can often lead to negative outcomes and may cause others to view the person as immature or lacking seriousness. Overall, to behave in a fatuous manner is to act in a way that is not sensible or logical.